What's up, guys? So it's your boy Lil Clay. Welcome to another train video. I just heard a train horn. I'm doing my daily walk. Whew, thought about that. Big drop there. I don't know where it is, but I hear it. If I manage to catch it, I'll film it. I know it's been a while since I filmed the train back here. It's just hard because I only mainly do my walks in the winter or fall because that's when in the summer it gets really hot here. So alright, so it's finally coming. That sound I heard last time I don't think was actually a train, but I hear one coming now. So I'm gonna wait for it. Come on, train, where'd you go? It's the hard part about spotting a train. You can't tell when it's coming. Where'd you go, train? I heard you. Alright, I'm gonna keep walking, y'all. Alright, it's getting closer now. Alright, now I can tell where it is. It's at that crossing right there. Come on. Come to daddy. I'm still gonna keep walking until it gets closer, y'all, so I can get my walk in. So I go to the Olympic to get something to eat. It's back that way. Come on. I'm not walking all the way over there, Mr. Train. Finally! Abba! Okay, so we have engine number. Oh, I can't tell. And 360. Thank you. That was nice. Follow it. Sorry, I can't see with my shades on. Get closer. That's about as close as I can get. Finally. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll try to do more in the future.